We are talking about how to fix a leaky bathroom faucet that continues to drip even when the faucet is turned off. Specifically, the faucet I'm working on today was purchased at Lowe's for $24.98, item number 857545, and the Lowe's brand is called Project Source. And the Project Source brand comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Woo! And you'll see there is a phone number on here that you can call to get warranty parts. Just a quick note, the cartridges inside the faucet have a 5-year warranty only, whereas the body of the faucet itself has a lifetime warranty. So here's the owner's manual for this faucet. Again, you'll see item number 0857545 at the top corner. And it's a good idea to write down your purchase date or staple or tape your receipt to the owner's manual. You'll note at the bottom of the owner's manual, there is a phone number and a website you can email if you have questions about your warranty on your faucet. So let's look at the parts list. To repair the leaking faucet, you'll see in this video, we need to replace the hot cartridge, which is part number A50717, N as in Nancy. A quick note, if you look at this parts breakdown, you will notice part 5.1 and 5.2 represent the hot and cold cartridges. They are different cartridges. You can't use a hot and a cold or a cold and a hot. You need to buy a hot cartridge for the hot side, a cold cartridge for the cold side. Another thing to note, this faucet does not have seats and springs underneath the cartridge. So what are seats and springs? If you look closely inside this other model bathroom faucet, you'll see those black seats. Underneath the seats are the springs. So if your faucet is leaking and you see you have seats and springs, it's a good idea to replace the seats and springs and the cartridge. You can buy those at Lowe's or Home Depot. You can buy one of these cheaper off brands like Danco. I prefer to use the original manufacturer OEM parts, but that's up to you. I'm just trying to make you aware that some faucets do have seats and springs under the cartridge. Some do not. The one we're working on today does not. So you can see it dripping here. Again, Project Source is the Lowe's brand for this faucet. So to determine which cartridge I need to replace, you can shut off the valve underneath the sink. I'll shut off the cold side first. See if the dripping stopped. It's still dripping. Turn the cold back on. Shut the hot side off. Let's look. The dripping has stopped. So that tells me the hot side cartridge needs to be replaced. Woo! So to access that cartridge, we'll remove the small index rubber plug that you see here on the side of the faucet. And I made sure to relieve the pressure if there was any. Again, only take this apart when the water is off. So there's a little index plug. Then you need a small thin Allen wrench to unscrew that set screw inside the handle, and then pull the handle straight off. Check to make sure there's no damage inside there. Set it aside. Then that retainer nut simply unscrews and set that aside. If that cartridge is hard to pull out by hand, you can gently grab it with a pair of pliers, lift straight up, and it pops out. And the way these cartridges work is there's two ceramic discs inside there that rotate on each other. And then there's that rubber seal on the very bottom of the cartridge, that red seal. And then you can see there's an O-ring. But again, you can buy this whole pre-assembled cartridge. Or in my case, I called the warranty phone number and got a new cartridge. So then you simply slide the new cartridge in place, line up the little plastic tabs there, gently tighten down the retainer nut. Careful not to cross thread it. Don't over tighten it either. Just want it snug. Reinstall your handle. Retighten the Allen set screw. Again, snug but not over tight. And then reinstall the little index cover plug there. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. No leaks. Problem solved. Again, I got lucky. I was able to make this a warranty repair by calling that phone number. They sent me the parts free of charge.
Wow.
I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.